Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on something that I have discovered, and it was interesting because as a makeup artist I feel like, okay, if I do my makeup and my makeup looks amazing, I want to be able to show it to you guys in pictures and videos and stuff like that. So I was having a lot of difficulties with getting my pictures looking really good, and I was like, man, there has to be something that I'm doing wrong. Is it the camera? What is it? I have no idea. I was feeling frustrated because my makeup was looking good, but I couldn't get good pictures of it. And I usually use my iPhone to take my pictures. So I was kind of like, why am I not able to take my pictures? Why are they not looking good? I did ask a few of my peers on YouTube, like, what do you guys use for pictures? A lot of them didn't really answer because they don't want to share their secrets, and I was like, that's kind of messed up. I did reach out to another fellow on my Instagram. She's so amazing. I was kind of surprised that she answered me. I was like, oh my gosh, she answered. I was so happy and excited because I was like, oh my god, finally, like, somebody's going to help me out. So I did ask her, and I said, hey, you know what? I'm having issues with like my pictures. Like, are you using like a good camera? What are you using? Because my pictures look like crap and yours look really amazing, and like you could see the detail and everything in your pictures. So she told me she was using her phone as well, but she did tell me of something that she also had discovered and that changed the game for her. And I was like, oh my god, girl, like, tell me, send me the link. I'm about to go buy it. I need it pronto. So she told me about this light called Bigsofti. I was like, I've never heard of Bigsofti before. So this is what it looks like. It's called Bigsofti. It's the bigger, softer light for better photos and video. I was like skeptical because I was like, there's no way this lighting is going to like change the game. I was so freaking wrong. So this is what it looks like. It is so cute. Like, it's not even heavy. I'm like excited because I'm gonna go out and like use it to take pictures, because I usually like to go out to dinner and I'm never able to take pictures of my food or anything, or myself with the food, because I don't have good lighting. So this one actually attaches to your phone. I was shocked. I was like, what? Like a little ring light type of thing for your phone. So I basically just push it in here, and I have a little lighting. I could put it either to face you guys or to face me like I have it now. It's touch screen as well, and just touch it on the side and it turns on. It goes either from warm light to like cool light, bright to like dimmed. So you can choose, like, you can see like how it looks. Like, I have lights, of course, but for it to actually like, here's cool, you can change it. I was like, what? That is just crazy. So this is what it looks like on my phone. It actually has another shoot as well. It has a surface adhesive mount. I actually haven't opened this because I feel like this is like I can attach it to my computer. It does have a picture of it, like it could go on the computer. You attach it, so you stick it anywhere and you can place it there. So this is like great to put it on your computer when you have like a camera and you're doing like zooms and stuff like that. This will help a lot. Like, you put this and then you attach the light and you'll have it there. It also has a chute for your tripod or for your camera. I haven't opened it because I haven't like used it, but let me open it so you guys can see. I will open the other one as well. It's just with these nails. Alright, so that's what it looks like. It is so cute. So basically, this is going to go where the microphone of your phone goes, and this is where you're going to apply the light. So it'll hold it onto the camera while you're filming or taking pictures. You're going to detach this and put it on this one, and you're just going to go ahead and put it on your camera. So the cameras basically have like a little chute where you put a microphone or anything. So that's where this one will basically go, and then you put the light. So I'm excited to use that on one of my cameras. So it came on this little box right here. It's so cute. So I'm gonna keep it there. This one is the attachment. Like I said, this one just goes onto It's a surface adhesive mount, so you can put it on your, and this is really good because when we were doing Zoom classes when the pandemic happened, we had really bad lighting, and this would have been came out really handy to like have it, and you know, for him, my son, to be able to, the teacher, to see him clearly. So amazing. Like I said, this one is a game changer. I'm actually going to take a few pictures. I'm actually going to try to put them here for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like with or without the light. I did try it out already. Let me see if I can detach this. Let me turn it off because I don't want my battery to die. To turn it off, you just hold it and it'll turn off. I actually have a picture, like a before and after. Let me show you guys. So basically, I'm gonna try to put it here, but I'm gonna show you guys on my phone as well. The picture on this side was without the Bigsofti, and the other one was with the Bigsofti. Like, you can see the difference. Like, you can see the colors and everything. Like the one without the softy, the pictures look like blurry. I don't know how to explain it, but I'll put it here as well. And I'm gonna take a few pictures without the with the Bigsofti and without the softy, so you guys can see the difference, because you can see everything, the detail and everything. So for my makeup artist girls that, you know, are posting pictures and want to get like more views and stuff like that, you can definitely change the game with this. I've seen a lot of people use this now, and I'm like shocked that I didn't know about this sooner. So definitely check them out. I will link everything down below. I follow them on Instagram. That's how I found them as well, because of Instagram. My fellow makeup artist told me about this, so I was like, you know what, I gotta check them out. So definitely check them out. I'll list everything down below for you guys. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.